Welcome to the official unveiling of our new Kabilin Heritage Lounge. I'd like to welcome our special guest for tonight, si Regional Director Shalimar Tamano of the DOT. Vice Governor Agnes Magpale, Cebu Province. Our Heritage Ambassador, si Tita Luella Alex. Mayor Stanley Caminero, LGU Argao. And of course, our President, si Mr. Benedict Cue.
First of all, I would like to personally thank all of you for your wonderful presence here today. We welcome all of you to this occasion of Thanksgiving as Golden Prince celebrate 12 years of heart. Your extraordinary support over the years has been a great part of Golden milestones. Your patronage has been very valuable, and we are truly grateful for your loyalty and friendship through the years. Earlier this evening, we celebrated a very special milestone, the unveiling of a brand new Kabilin, the Heritage Lounge, just located at the beside of our lobby. Maybe if anybody of you were able to get a visit, please do so after our dinner and program here. The ceremony was graced by Province of Cebu Vice Governor Agnes Magpale and our very own DOT RD Shalimar Tamano, and together with our Ambassador, Heritage Ambassador Madam Luella Alex, and many of you were also present here. As I look at Kabilin now, it serves as a reminder of our humble beginnings in the hospitality industry. When we constructed our first tower, that intimate space served as our hotel main lobby with a few sofas, our first restaurant, and a small admin office. When we expanded with our second tower in 2016, that intimate space was converted to a guest waiting area. It was later transformed to our first ever Kabilin, the Heritage Lounge. And during our grand opening in May 2016, that intimate space has now transformed into a full-fledged food and beverage outlet to provide the diners with a unique Cebuano Hospitality Experience. Through hard work, customer focus, and teamwork, we at Golden Valley and Golden Prince Hotel are full-heartedly dedicated to continuously evolving and innovating our service offerings to serve you, our dear guests, with heartfelt hospitality that you have never experienced before. Golden Valley Hotel has been operating for 24 years. And next year, we will be celebrating our silver anniversary. And we set our sights towards our golden year. For Golden Prince Hotel, we are celebrating 12 years of heart. we look forward to more years of golden brand of hospitality.